What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today is an absolutely beautiful day here in Houston area. So we're going to do 3 annual washes today, which means that those cars were coated about a year ago. And to me, I think annual washes are very important to see how the coating is doing, get a good analyzation of the paint. No reapplication, just kind of freshen the coating up and just make sure their investment is paying off. So it'll be good to see how they're doing and how the customer is enjoying them. So we're about 4 minutes away from this customer. So I'll meet you over there. And also make sure you go to autofiber.com, use discount code JR10 for 10% off on any purchase. So yeah, we're about to be there. We'll see you soon. All right, what's up, guys? So we're at the first appointment finally. Just backed up this car. So this is the GLC 300. You got the lifetime package last year and the interior coated as well. So as you can see, it is pollen season here in Houston. So it'd be cool to see how the coating's doing, kind of refresh it, make sure everything's doing good. It's been a while since we've done mobile because we had the shop. So I'm gonna unload everything out of the truck, get everything set up, and see how it rinses off and watch our process. So I'm getting set up, got the pressure washer. When it comes to annual washes, of course, we're going to use a 2-bucket method. Our dirty bucket, clean water with Americana soap. So we're getting that close to washing it. Car is doing really good. Remember, it's got the Ceramic Pro Gold package with lifetime warranty. So we're about to wash it and start the annual wash process. Wash is done. So our next step on an annual wash is doing a decontamination of the coating. So what happens, not in this case, but some coatings, like you'll see, like the repellency may not be as fast. Well, that's because there's contaminants on top of the coating. So using Americana release is going to open the coating up, let it breathe, refresh it. So we're going to do this and then we'll top it off. All right, the decontamination is over. The car passed with flying covers on that part, so now there's no reapplication like the rumors may say. So now it's time just to put our Ceramic Pro Sport package on to just give the car more hydrophobic properties. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this car, and we got 2 more after this, so we'll meet you at those other 2 cars. All right, guys, so we're at location number 2. This customer, him and his girlfriend, got their cars coated. The girlfriend's not here as was expected, so we're only going to do his. So his was coated with the Ceramic Pro Silver package, which is a 5-year warranty. As you can see, the gloss looks phenomenal. So now it's time for the same annual wash because we did his about a year ago. So same process as the Mercedes. We're going to wash, decon, top it off with Sport. So if it's the same as the Mercedes, it's going to be pretty cool to see. And as you may see, I did a wardrobe change because we got new apparel made. We got our new hats, new shirts, and on the back, my famous saying on the back, protecting the world one coating at a time. If you're interested, shoot me a private message or email us, and we'll be happy to get you a shirt, hat, or even stickers. So we're gonna get after this, and stay tuned and watch it out. Americana release sitting on right now. Like I said, it is a decontamination, so oftentimes your coating may lose its hydrophobic properties, or it's not repelling as fast, so that's okay. So what happens is, like, contaminants from like being in industrial areas, or just brake dust flying up on the vehicle, that clogs up the coating. So Ceramic Pro is a permanent bond, the coating's never gone. So what happens is, use the decontamination, gets all the contamination off the coating, opens the coating up, and let it breathe. So that's a little just a reminder on Ceramic Pro, or just coatings in general. So don't freak out about the hydrophobic properties disappearing. Hydrophobic meaning like the repellency of the water. So all it needs is our annual wash. So it just needs to get a decon, get the contamination off the coating, and it will be right back. Is finally done. We washed, we decon, topped it off with Ceramic Pro Sport, did a detail on the interior. So today was a pretty good day, pretty productive. Hope this answers any questions that you may have about coatings on how they do like a year or 5 years from now. Overall, it's still mind-blowing to me. I'm an installer every single day. I see this every day, and Ceramic Pro still amazes me. The customer's happy, both customers were happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's gonna wrap it up. So if you did, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'm Ryan with JR Express Detailing, protecting the world one coating at a time.